Welcome to the crypto nest. So first, let's go and see our bubbles, and you can see that yeah, it's pretty much red today once again, and all the crypto they actually were doing great. Actually, ICP and Say, and you just named them. Today we're having a big corrective movement. Well, at least we can focus on the strong ones. So from what I see now, Casper is reacting strongly, and Osmos as well. Unfortunately, before it was ICP and don't remember who was. Yeah, Arbitrum also were fighting that downtrend, but today, yeah, they just gave up, I guess. Also, Render today and Tether they have a nice pullback. Avax. All right, so let's go. Yeah, on ICP, so we can see that on the 4 hours, yeah, the stock RSI is oversold. The RSI is going lower. Now, I did mention yesterday that I have two counts here possible, and I'm not sure which one is going to play out, right? Either the orange one that would say that we already reached the fifth wave and this is the beginning of the corrective movement, or now let me just go and check here. Did I do I thought I did already a bigger fib retracement. Guess I didn't. Okay, so let me do it now. If this is indeed the fifth wave, but honestly, I don't want to say, I'm not, I don't believe it, because everything is possible in crypto, but how could ICP make his 5-way up with the ETF approval maybe today or maximum 10th of January, so that's next Wednesday. If it's approved, then for sure there will be another nice week up. Well, for sure, I don't want to say for sure, nothing is sure in life, especially in investments and crypto, but go to 48, 50, 52, very possible. So that I cannot imagine. Bitcoin go high and ICP it just continue to do his rally down, or this is just doing the A and then it's going to do the B when Bitcoin approval is going to be or if it's approved, then it's going to do higher B. Maybe it's going to do higher B and then it's going to do the C. That could that timing could be okay, but then it would be so short. I'm not sure, unless we're going to have a C wave very long. But for a moment, let's focus on the I would say worst case scenario. So ICP doesn't follow Bitcoin, or ETF it's denied and everybody goes down. What would be the reasonable retracement for ICP? I'm going to add the 382 also. So these are the levels where ICP is going to make his potential pullback. Also, let's notice that a lot of time it would go back to the previous wave 4. So if this is the fifth one, it would go around this level here, which we had a strong resistance that's going to become support, and we're going to have the 0.5 fib retracement. So we're talking about ICP around $9.50. Now I know some people, they find it's crazy, it will never get there. That's what we said on Bitcoin when it was 69,000 and then went down 16,600. So yeah, it's possible, very possible. And also, yeah, you can see that it could go a little bit lower also, and maybe the 6.618 at about $6. And I know this sounds crazy, but this, I mean, if you really believe in ICP, you should just pray that we go to that level, because if we get a nice ABC corrective moment, then we have kind of 5-way up, and then we have a very nice A, B, C, and it goes bend on the 6.1 fib retracement, then this is perfect textbook Fibonacci retracement for the wave 2. So we did 5 wave up, we did 3, we would do 3 wave down, react to the perfect level, perfect entry point, very nice, I would say, price, and after that we can skyrocket from there. So sometimes I say those low price, and then people, they kind of attack me, or like, yeah, you're crazy, blah blah blah. But that's, if you are honestly a ICP fan, this is what you should look forward, honestly. And then if we go there, what would be the third wave? Let's go and check it out. So third wave, $23, and we agree, it goes in confluence with the previous resistance here, and the 2.618, we're talking about $32. So that's amazing, right? And after that, this is going to make, this is going to be 5 wave, we're going to have 3 wave down, and then it's going to skyrocket more. And also, this is without any extension. So just to have an idea, and I know we all want our coins to go higher, but actually by going lower, it make a very strong structure to the chart. So I just wanted to, maybe zoom out a little bit, and let's not look at the short term, but let's look at the long term. All right, so now what I'm looking for the moment, it's, well, first of all, we cannot lose, we can go below $12, or $11.95 to be precise. And also, we do have this previous resistance here, yeah, $11.93. So we don't want to lose too much of that level, because if this indeed is the third wave in blue, then we kind of did an A overshooting wave B, and this is the C. Honestly, it's not really my favorite. Also, this week it's crazy, so it could be that just this is the A, this is the B, but yeah, maybe this is the A, and this is A, B, and is not done yet. We're going to have like maybe a more complex, maybe WXY correction. So we need to see, but for sure, now critical point would be below 11.94.95. Then this starts to look bad, and we're getting out from what a wave 4 can go, and also cannot get into the levels of the first wave. Where is the first wave? Okay, we're far, so that's at least we're safe for that. But fourth wave, once again, cannot go lower than 0.5. Well, for sure, no, a small wick, it's kind of okay, but this is really the limit. Now, if I check on the indicators, let's zoom in a little bit. So 1 hour, it's looking good. So should bounce back, right? Both RSIs are almost over sold. 4 hours, same thing for the stock RSI, and then RSI are lower. And the problem though, it's here on the daily. You can see that the RSI, it's overbought, or almost getting out of from being overbought, and the stock RSI also in high levels. So this is why I tend to say that we need to be careful, and indeed maybe this is the fifth wave, and it begin that corrective movement. Once again, it can go, the RSI can stay, like you can see there for a while, so we're going to see. But I wouldn't enter a trade now if I don't have any ICP. I would wait, maybe if price go lower, then my risk is smaller, right? Because if someone enter the trade now, we're talking about a big gap now, because I did say below 0.5 fib retracement, you give a little bit of space, let's say. So, but if you buy something now, You know, we're talking about 9%, even 10% maybe. That's a lot. So not ideal for entry point if you are mid-term investor, in my opinion. For sure, that's not financial advice. Also, well, we didn't break the trend, right? So I could take one trend here like that. And also, maybe I go on the 15 minutes just to see, to time an entry, right? What's the shorter term tells me? Let me take this one here, copy and put it there. Does it work? Not necessarily. Okay, so don't like it. Okay, so for short term, honestly, we can also do something like that. Change the color maybe to orange, and then as long as the price doesn't break this trend on 15 minutes, why would you enter, right? Because he's not even breaking the 15-minute chart. So that's what I'm looking for now. I should have, honestly, because I did tell you I did got some here, right? I should have sold them here. Now I'm getting almost back to my entry point. You see, I was saying greediness. Well, greediness, but I'm looking for a longer picture. I'm convinced that Bitcoin, ETF spot is going to be approved. So this is why I am waiting. I am convinced that we should get to the $18, and after that, yes, I'm going to close my longs and possibly waiting for the bigger correction. And let's remember, Bitcoin always have 25, 30, 35 correction movement, even in the bull market. That's perfectly normal. So when I say, ICP, maybe $8, $10, very possible, because if Bitcoin makes 25% down, well, these little friends here are going to suffer for sure, and then we're going to enjoy very nice entry point for the bull market, the real one. And this is going to be our last chance to get, for example, here, ICP at this lower level. We're not going to see these $8 anytime soon again, or ever maybe. So yeah, I believe in ICP, and honestly, I focus on this level here, $8, $7.50. If we can go there, I'm going to be very happy. Even $9.50 now, it's reasonable, very reasonable, and not that far, right? Because you saw how we dropped quickly from that liquidation week, right? All right, so this is pretty much all what I wanted to say for ICP. So I still stand for we should reach this $18 if Bitcoin ETF is approved, and if it doesn't, then yeah, I'm going to see price, well, first of all, reach the $11 about. After that, correction for the B wave, and another one lower around, I wouldn't say impossible. Now, between 8 and 750 would be the ideal retracement for a bigger pullback. Alright, so this is pretty much all for ICP for today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day. And also, if you have an opinion, please drop it down. If you think that's impossible, ICP at $8, well, share it with us. Bye.